Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox Palit GeForce RTX 3060. Features NVIDIA Ampere architecture, and it also has ray tracing and DLSS. So this is the entry level of the RTX 3000 series GPU. I bought it at 2,900 ringgit, which is seriously not worth it, but my GTX 1070 may be acting up, so I have to do the purchase. So this comes with 3 years warranty. This is the box itself. Let's look at the back here. So, what does it say? It says it completely supports the DirectX, including DirectX 12. What else? The GeForce RTX 3060 is powered by the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, built with enhanced RT cores and Tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors and high-speed GDDR6 memory. Key features including 2nd Gen ray tracing core, 3rd Gen Tensor core, PCIe Express Gen 4, DirectX 12 Ultimate, GDDR6, DLSS, G-Sync GPU boost. What else? HDCP 2.3 VR ready, DisplayPort 1.4a, HDMI 2.1. Tons of things. So, without further ado, let's open this box up. Black box. It's like here. What is this? User manual. Tons of languages. This is the GPU itself. Nothing else inside. And here's the GPU itself in the anti-static bag. Let's just check it out. Here we go. So 2 fans here. I believe this is 80mm fans. Plastic wrap. 1-type pin here. A backplate, but I believe this is plastic. Yeah, definitely plastic to cut costs. And so, and as you can see, there's a cutout holes here in honeybee shape to help airflow and cooling. And the card is actually not thick at all. It's about 2 slots thick. You can definitely fit it in a lot of cases. And here is a gap here, and also a gap here to help with the airflow. This card is seriously not heavy at all. So we have the GeForce RTX logo here. If my understanding is correct, this thing should light out in green. What are the IOs? So 3 DisplayPort 1.4a and a HDMI 2.1 here. The same here. Let's peel this plastic off. Yeah, you gotta peel this off. Well, this is fake. I'm surprised. So I thought it has a cutout here to help with airflow, but apparently no. If I had known, then I would not have peeled off the protective layer. So yeah, so I'm going to install this and upgrade for my GTX 1070 and look at the performance boost. I am expecting around 20%. as what the benchmarks say, with other features like DLSS. But seriously guys, this is not a good time to buy GPU at all. But given the market right now, I also can't say if it's dropping soon or not. So that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you found this useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.